Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fine mesh screen in the bottom of your dishwasher. To remove and replace this filter, it does not require any special tools, just a few minutes of your time. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So some of the reasons you may want to remove and reinstall the fine mesh screen in your GE dishwasher is about the performance and washability of the dishwasher. So you're going to want to remove it, clean it, and put it back in. And again, you may only need to do this once a week, once a month. Just depends on how often you actually use the dishwasher. So the first thing we need to do is simply open the door, and we want to remove that lower rack. And then we just want to make sure we've got the spray arm aligned so it's out of our way, so that we can unlock our large filter. Just rotate it counterclockwise, lift it straight out. So now we'll just set that out of the way. So now all we need to do is just to reach in and take hold of that fine mesh screen and remove it from the dishwasher. So now that we have the fine mesh screen out of the way, it's just a matter of reaching in and lifting out the fine mesh filter. So if you're looking to install the fine mesh filter, it's very easy to do. We're just going to bring it into the sump area and set it down into place. So now to install our fine mesh screen, it's very easy. We're just going to bring it down into the sump area, line it up to the sump, and then drop it into place. So to install our large particle filter, it's very easy to do. We just bring it down, rotate it backwards a little bit till you feel it drop into place, and then rotate it clockwise to the locks. And there you go. So now we just need to reinstall our rack, close our door, and that's how easy it is to install the fine mesh filter in your GE dishwasher.